we are indeed very happy to host the next meeting in Frankfurt.
As EBMT Congress co-presidents, we are thrilled to invite you to come to Frankfurt to participate in the most comprehensive annual event for research and education in the field of stem cell transplantation and cellular therapies in Europe.
You will be able to choose from 170 sessions and learn about the latest results and developments in stem cell transplantation and CAR-T and other cell and immune therapies. Renowned speakers will address the hottest topics, and we will be discussing new stem cell preparation techniques and transplant procedures, as well as tackling some new and exciting questions arising in the field.
Well, I like to come every year if I can. I'm a transplant coordinator in Belfast, so it's lovely to meet up with other nurses who are working in the same field.
The EBMT is worldwide famous for presenting major advances in transplant. This is my second EBMT, so I enjoyed the last year and I was looking forward to attending it again.
So join us for an enjoyable scientific, education and social experience. We look forward to seeing you in March in the vibrant and modern city of Frankfurt.